Well, good afternoon, friends. Happy Wednesday. Thought we'd have a little coffee talk. Is that Canadian or is that Minnesotan? Coffee talk? Oh my goodness. I should not practice this accent. No, I should not do that. So I don't know. You tell me. Coffee talk. Is that bad? Okay. Bear with me. I have 3 things to tell you guys. 3 things. I need your help. Actually need your help. Hey, Kathleen. So, first off, I just did the drawing live on my business page. If you guys missed that, the drawing for those of you who entered the Beauty Bar Chocolate drawing, who registered for group coaching coming up, the winner was Pam Pearson. So congratulations. I will be reaching out to you for your Beauty Bar Chocolate. And I just want to let you guys know there's still time to register for group coaching if you're interested. It doesn't begin until March 7th. So you can do that. I'll link all the information for you guys. Okay, tomorrow, as you can see, we're not cooking right now, and that's okay. But tomorrow, I wanted to kind of give you a prep ahead for what we're doing. I was challenged by one of my clients, Kelly. She wanted me to make a hot dish. Hot dish is what, I think it's what casserole is in Minnesota, but correct me if I'm wrong. I live in Minnesota, but I was not raised here. So there are some terms that are a little bit different. So do you call it hot dish? Do you call it casserole? Is hot dish like native only to Minnesotans? I don't know. So you guys think about it and we can talk about it tomorrow. So I am going to make the Faker Tot casserole tomorrow at between 9:30 and 9:45. I'll come live in here. And I thought it would be fun if you guys wanted to make it with me. It is from the Trim Healthy Mama cookbook, and it's on page 147. I've actually never made it. You guys probably are all the experts on it, and you should be telling me all the tips. So I'm going to make this, and I'm going to try it right here live with you guys tomorrow because she challenged me. We do a lot of challenges in our group, and she took on my challenges, so I'm taking on hers to make this recipe. So we're going to make that happen. Okay, then I need your help. This is where I need your help. So when something amazing, well, you guys are amazing. But this past year, last February, I started this group. I actually started this group as an Epicure group. You guys know that I'm an Epicure consultant. Well, what was crazy was when I decided to do that, I had to step out of my comfort zone on so many levels, you guys, so many levels. Just even going live made me so uncomfortable, but I was being obedient to what I felt like Christ wanted me to do at that time. So we're just having coffee talk here. So we're sister to sister, all right? I really want to share my heart with you guys. And this is a little bit hard for me. It's a little bit hard because it's personal. It's so personal. But I really do value your guys' opinions and your thoughts. And so I'm bringing this to you because I have a question. So last February, I started that. And I had committed to basically doing 12 cooking classes. And then I didn't know. So I started with, like 0 people in my group. And then, of course, I invited like my mom and my dad. And, I ended up with like 50 people as my friends. Some of you guys are genuinely like my neighbors and my friends and people who live in my house. And then after I completed that, come May, I was praying about it, and it just wasn't sitting right with me that my group was focused on only that, because I am so passionate about Trim Healthy Mama. Like, it is where my heart and soul is, and I just couldn't stop shaking the feeling like I've got to do something different, but I don't know what it was. And so I started praying about it. And I just knew I needed to switch gears and focus THM with a little side of Epicure. And so that's why you guys see me use the products, because I really do love them, but not everything is on plan. Like, all the silicone is fine, but not absolutely every food product is on plan. So the only thing you guys see from me in this group is on plan. And I wanted that to be my emphasis. I didn't want to be salesy or pitching you guys things that I didn't believe in myself. So I switched and I was like, okay, this group is about Trim Healthy Mamas and helping you guys simplify things and make it easier. Because I had already named the group Simply Cookin with Coach Sarah. And that's the idea behind Epicure, is they simplify things and you can go from raw to ready in 20 minutes or less. Well, I'm like, you can do that with other recipes as well from Trim Healthy Mama. And that's what I wanted to make happen for you guys, is show you guys my tips, my tricks, how I manage to feed my family of 9 every day, and shortcuts I do to feed myself lunch. Or, you know, if somebody's eating something off plan, like what do I do and what are my emergency go-to meals? So that's what's been happening here for the last, since focusing last May. Well, you guys are amazing. I'm going to get all emotional here. You guys are genuinely amazing. Like, I can't thank you guys enough, because I don't know how this happened between YouTube and just inviting people and coming. And I don't know where you guys have all found me. Maybe you can tell me whether you found me on YouTube, if you found me in the groups, if it just popped up as a recommended group for you. But you guys have been coming, and you've been coming. So the cool thing is the group is almost 5,000 members in 1 year. You guys did that. Thank you. Like, thank you. So I'm getting emotional here. It just really means a lot to me. It means so much. Let me collect my thoughts. So what happens at 5,000 members is your name is locked in. Like, you can't change your name. So my group, as you guys know, is Simply Cookin with Coach Sarah, and not cooking. It's like cookin, you know, K-I-N with an apostrophe. So my question for you guys is, I don't know if you've seen my whole backstory of why my business name is Array of Hope Health. And I'm not going to go into the whole story, but the little bite-sized version of it is God gave me my daughter, Array of Hope. Array of Hope is in a lot of my videos that you guys see. I have 6 kids, but you guys, and you see some of them here and there, but Array of Hope is in a lot of my videos. So anyways, God gave me Array of Hope. She was born without any drugs and infertility stuff, like a true miracle. And it was really crazy, you guys. Years ago, before I became a coach or anything, the Lord said, you're going to have a business one day and it's going to be named Array of Hope. And I was like, right. I had no plans of doing anything business related, like not at all. And so I just kind of like wrote it down, because I'm like, right, God, I am genuinely like Sarah in the Bible who laughed, because I was like, I have zero desire to own a business. No, thank you. Which is really funny, you guys, because I do have a degree in business management, but I'll tell you, I did not learn how to run a business until I ran a business. So college is overrated. Don't show that to your kids. So anyways, after that happened, I just knew that when all this coaching stuff happened for me, the Lord said to me, I brought you a ray of hope, and now you're going to bring a ray of hope to other people. And that's why your business is going to be a ray of hope. And I went through a transition period. I went from a ray of hope coaching is where I started to, I wanted to be more about all health, not just specifically coaching, but helping. Like, how do I help? So it became a ray of hope health. And so anyways, that's funny, because I have my mug. Can you guys see it here? This is my logo. My logo is the rainbow, because I believe in God's promises, and God has been faithful to me. And I believe that he brought me here, and he brought you here for a reason, to be a part of this group. And I just want to say thank you for that. And to just know that God has a ray of hope for you in your health journey, in your life. And he wants to bless you and strengthen you and encourage you as much as he has for me. And so I hope that that's what you get when you come here. I hope you feel welcome and loved. And my life's crazy. I'm not perfect. And I hope you guys see that in my videos. I'm just really just a person, just like you guys. And I was a person who was willing to walk out in obedience and do this, even though, you guys, I was not on social media before this. If you're my friend on Facebook, go back, and I occasionally was a poster. Just didn't do it. And it's funny, because If you don't follow my business page or my stories, I post there all the time, but I almost never post to my personal page because I don't have time to do it. And so that it's just crazy. It's crazy the direction that my life has gone out of obedience to Christ. So I feel like you guys, my followers, know more about me than even some of my friends on my Facebook page because I just don't have time to be posting there all the time. So with that said, as we near 5,000 members in this group, first off, really genuinely, thank you. Thank you for that. I want to know if you guys think I should just stick with Simply Cookin with Coach Sarah as my name, or if I should change it to somehow tie it to Array of Hope Health. I really don't know. And so that's why I wanted to ask you guys, because you guys are the ones who came here. You've joined my group. Did Simply Cooking, was it that name that drew you in? I'm not sure. So here I am asking. I'm asking you guys because I love you guys and I really value your opinion. So I would love to know if I should just stick with Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah and leave it be. If I should... Pam, are you here for real, Pam? Did you see that you won? I'm so glad you're here, Pam. Pam, you're the winner. Okay, I saw you pop on here, so I had to say that. You can go back and watch the beginning or go watch on, I'll send you the link. So anyways, oh, you didn't know? You won. You won Beauty Bar Chocolate. Yay. So congratulations. So I want to know, you guys, what you guys think. If I should, or if you have suggestions. I'm open to suggestions somehow tying Array of Hope Health with Simply Cookin. Facebook doesn't give you like a lot of options, but right now that's the name. So I don't know. I was just curious. I was curious to hear your guys' thoughts. So if you would share with me your ideas, or if you think I should just keep the name the same as we're getting really close. So I don't have a lot of time to kind of think about it. Well, maybe I do. I don't know. Because who knows? I don't know exactly how long. I just know that we've come from 0 to almost 5,000 in 1 year because of you guys. So anyways, I'm going to link my story. If you guys don't know my whole story, I would love for you to hear. I was on the Trim Transformations podcast. And so I'll link that for you if you're interested in hearing my story of infertility and how God gave me my business. I will link that for you guys. You can check it out. And then also, Array of Hope is what God brought to you. Yes. Array of Hope. Yes. That's exactly right. So I'll link that. I also have my story was featured in the ezine. I'll link that too if you guys want to read it. I know sometimes seeing and hearing the backstory is very helpful and understanding where people come from and like why does Sarah do what she does, and why is she taking time away from her family to come show you guys food, and what's the backstory. So this is genuinely my backstory. Is I really feel called to this. Like, it's really important to me because it's important to God that you guys, I just love you guys. That he just really loves you and he wants you to know, and he's using me as a vessel. So I don't take that lightly. It's very serious to me. And I just want you guys to know that. So, oh, Molly. Okay, Molly, you said, I can't remember how I found you, but I love what you share. Oh, thank you. Whatever you feel would benefit my business. Oh, that's so sweet. But I really want it to be definitely God-fearing and God-honoring. So thank you so much for all you do and share. I do love your backstory. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that, Molly. You're so sweet. Thank you, Pam. That's so nice. Okay, well, I won't keep you guys, but I would love for you to post in the comments your thoughts and tell me your ideas, and just really does help me, and you guys bless me so much. So I just want you guys to know that the feeling is very, very mutual. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow at around 9:30, 9:45. I'll go live, and we're going to make the Baker Tot casserole. And tell me, I want to know if you say hot dish or casserole, and are they the same thing? I think I'm going to have to Google this tonight and find out so I can come back and tell you guys what the Google says. But all right, guys, have a blessed day. Love you. Bye.